Okay, in this problem, we've got a trial of 300 patients. Okay, so as I'm looking at the problem, the 300 is my sample size who receive a drug, and 36 that reported headache as a side effect. So when I look at the value of P, that should be 36 divided by 300. So that proportion, 36 divided by 300, is 0.12. So that's our mean, 0.12. And then to get the standard deviation, just like we've done before with p-hat distributions, to get the standard deviation, we take the square root of 0.12 times 0.88, and we divide that by our sample size, and in this case that was 300, and our standard deviation ends up being, I'm going to drop it down here, standard deviation ends up being 0.0188. Okay, so we have the mean and the standard deviation. Now, it's asking us to construct a 95% confidence interval using these two amounts. Okay, so I'm using this and this. And so I'm going to go to StatCrunch, and in StatCrunch, I'm going to choose the calculator, normal. So let me clear this. And as I consider this one, our mean we just found out was 0.12. Our standard deviation was 0.0188. We want to know a 90% confidence interval. So we're trying to decide what are the boundaries that will encompass 90% of the data. So I don't know what my lower and upper bounds are. So I'm going to take those out, but I do want the probability to be 90%. And then we're going to compute. So the numbers that go into these blanks over here for part B, for the second part, would be these values. It's between 0.891 and 0.1509.